Okay, so we're gonna go like what? Like C4 all the way over.
Ooh.
Good.
There we go.
And then this is like C2. We're gonna hook on right there.
Ooh.
Good. Beautiful. All right, so I'm just going through. I want to see where I'm gonna attack. Everything's pointing to right here. Let's bring this arm back and just kind of let this hang. Get the piezoform right on it.
Ooh.
Wow.
Nice.
Good. And then we're gonna go right here. No breath there, because if he knows it's coming, he's gonna tense up a little bit.
I was about to ask. Take up that thing.
Good. Open up the SI. Let's see the low back. It's pretty good. I think left side sacrum. And then we'll go, what is this? L2 on the left. All right, so we're going on L2. It's kind of like a higher segment in his low back. Want to hook right onto it. Going like right there. Not too much twist. Boom, slam it. Notice how I'm not like doing a lot of twisting here. We're gonna lock it out and just slam right down on it. Good. That was good.
I can take off the shoe.
No. I like shoes. I like adjusting with shoes on, you know? I want to feel like the poop that people walked on and all that stuff, you know?
Yeah.
All right. That was good.
Yeah.
Good job. Yeah.
Awesome.
Coming up. Oh. You do crack loud.
I tell you.
He does.
Yeah, good. Good job.
Yeah, thank you. That was awesome.